Buzzies, welcome to BuzzingOwl.
Buzzing out, flying high, learning every day, reaching the sky. Trees and leaves, the colors shine. Come explore nature, it's science time. Buzzing out, oh, can't you see? We learn and play, just wait and see.
Hello friends, it's me, Buzzy the Owl. Today, I have a super cool question. Why do we have shadows? Let's find out together.
A shadow is created when light is blocked by something. When light hits an object, it can't go through, so it makes a shadow on the other side. Look, Buzzy's shadow is right here.
See how my wings cast a shadow? Shadows are just like that, where the light can't reach.
Shadows change shape because the light source moves. When the sun moves, it makes the shadows bigger or smaller.
That's right. Watch how my shadow grows long when the sun is low and short when the sun is high.
We see shadows because light travels in straight lines. When something blocks the light, we can see the shadow on the ground or nearby objects.
Shadows are cool, right? They show us where light can't reach.
So friends, now you know why we have shadows. They're just formed when light gets blocked by something. Shadows change shape depending on where the light is.
Thanks for learning about shadows with me. I hope you had fun. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss our next adventure. Keep learning with me.
Shadows on the ground, big and small. They change when the light comes, one and all. From morning to night, the sun moves high, making shadows that reach for the sky. Shadows in the sun, here they come. Watch them grow long when the day's just begun. Shadows in the sun, watch them play, changing shapes in a magical way. When the sun is low, shadows grow tall. When it's high, they're tiny, not so big at all. Objects block the light and make a shade. That's how shadows are made. Hooray! Shadows in the sun, here they come. Watch them grow long when the day's just begun. Shadows in the sun, watch them play, changing shapes in a magical way. Shadows in the sun, here they come. Watch them grow long when the day's just begun. Shadows in the sun, watch them play, changing shapes in a magical way. Shadows, shadows in the light. They're here with us, day and night. You did great, you learned so much today. So many new things in your brain. Buzzing Out is proud of you. Learning's fun, and that's true too. Don't forget to like and subscribe now so we can learn and play again somehow. Buzz, see you in the next Buzzworthy show.